Hello everyone, I am Danish from Brightway company. Today I am at one of Brightway company factory and I am going to introduce the 1000 HP ZJ40 oil rig solid control system. This system is equipped with one mud gas separator or liquid gas separator, two shell shakers, one vacuum degasser, one mud cleaner which contains descender, desilter and a shaker in a single unit, two decanter centrifuges, two jet mud mixers and 5 mud tanks under the whole system. Welcome to partner with Brightway company. To know more about our products, please follow us, contact us.